Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you want to take advantage of Amazon Prime Week, I'm going to tell you the best credit cards to do it. All right. So many of us know that shopping on Amazon Prime can give you the best deals, right? However, many of us not even aware they're actually cheating you out of the prices. Okay. And so what I mean by cheating you out of those prices is that they make it look like they're lowering those prices all the way down or giving you this huge discount. However, the problem is, if you use the way back on the website, it would actually tell you what the original price started at. And you would see that the original price that you're paying for Amazon Prime price is the price that you would have got it before Amazon Prime Day. Okay, so they're taking advantage of. I'm gonna give you some websites that you can actually go on to actually definitely check the price when you're trying to take advantage of Amazon Prime, as well as the best credit cards, right? So let's talk about some of these websites. All right, this is going to help you. Now, the first website you want to take a look at is called Camel. Okay, that's right. It's called Camel. And the reason is because if you use this here website and you're looking for some, say you're looking for a vacuum cleaner, or you may be looking for one of those Roombas or something like that, it actually is going to find you the best coupon code plus the best price. Like I said, you can go to the Way Back When website and it'll actually tell you what the original price was. Now, guys, I would definitely ask you all to put it in the comments. Have you used any of these websites to get a better discount? Okay. Or have you ever used any of these credit cards I'm going to share with you to get take advantage of Amazon Prime? Now, again, like I said, Camel is one. Then you have Coupon. That's with a K, KOUPON.AI. Is very good in terms of helping you find a very good discount code on the products that you're looking for. All right. Then you have slickdeals.net. That's one. Then you have joinhoney.com. So many of us are familiar with Honey. And what it does, it actually will lock in a price, and then if that price drops to a lower price, it would actually notify you. So that's another one. Then you have Rakuten, and the reason why I have that on the list is because not only you getting a discount on the product, but you also will get a rebate and cash using Rakuten. All right. Then you have coupon codes, 365.com. So just giving you some idea of, because it's Amazon Prime Day, you don't have to allow them to take advantage of you. All right. So that's one of the bigger things about it, not allowing them to take advantage of you. Then you have free sample. You have freesamples.com. That's also one where you can find a good coupon code at. All right. So I just wanted to give you those. I'm finna tell you about the credit cards, but I wanted to give you a heads up that a lot of these prices that you're seeing on Amazon, again, a lot of people have increased their prices. And then they'll say, okay, we're going to give you this here discount or whatever, this big, huge discount. But at the same time, if you use the Way Back website and put in Amazon and what you're looking for, you would actually see that that price has always been there anyway. Okay, so they increased the price on you. So we're not going to go for that, wasting our money. Now, let's talk about some of these credit cards, right? So in terms of some of these here credit cards, we're talking about like PNC Bank. Now, there's specific credit cards that I'm focusing on. And the reason is because these are credit cards that are starting at like $5,000 or more. And those type of credit cards that you're looking for credit cards, usually it may have the Visa signature logo. It may say Visa Infinite on it, or it may have MasterCard, World MasterCard, or World Elite MasterCard. Okay, because usually if it has World or World Elite MasterCard on it, as well as the Visa logos, Visa signature, Visa Infinite, those are your credit cards. You're going to get like a $5,000 approval. Now, here's another interesting thing. With some of these here cards, sometimes they may give you instant access once you approve. Now, breaking this down, the reason PNC Cash Unlimited starts at $5,000, at the same time, it uses Experian FICO 9, okay? So I'm trying to find the easiest credit cards for you to get approved for to take advantage of this situation, all right? Now, you have the Navy Federal Cash Rewards that starts at $5,000. Now, here's the thing about it. With the Navy Federal Cash Rewards, you may have like a 580 credit score, and you may be approved for this. They use TransUnion FICO 9, okay? Now, you also have the Wells Fargo Reflect. Now, the reason that I would like this here card is because it gives you 15 months of 0% interest, okay, on purchases and balance transfers. So that's the reason why I actually like this here card, all right? And so not only that, with Wells Fargo usually pulling Experian FICO 9, they also give you convenience checks to liquidate it, or they may just do it over the phone, liquidate the money into your checking account. All right. And so that way, if there's something on Amazon you need to buy or whatever, you have access not only to the credit card, but if you need access to the cash, then there you have it. Now, you also have Fidelity. All right. Now, with Fidelity credit card, the reason I like it is because I know that they give high limits. So you would have to open up a Fidelity account, all right, brokerage account, and then apply for that card. And the reason that this card is so good is because it's in the Elan Financial family, okay? And they're associated with U.S. Bank. So they definitely will give you convenience checks as well. But again, like I said, with Fidelity, they give you high limits. Now, you also have Edward Jones. Now, with the Edward Jones credit cards, they also use Elan Financial as well. All right. And so being able to choose the right type of credit cards that's going to give you the leverage like that is what you want. Now, you also have PenFed. Now, here's the thing about it with PenFed. They do the pre-approval on credit cards, but at the same time, the best credit card that PenFed has that I would definitely tell you to go after is the PenFed Gold Card. And the reason is because it's 0% interest for 15 months. All right. So that's the reason why I would tell you to go after that card. Then the next credit card you want to look at is First National Bank of Omaha. Okay. Now with First National Bank of Omaha, it's Experian FICO 9. Now it's a geo-restricted credit card, but at the same time, it's definitely one of the banks you want to take a look at. Again, because it is a FICO 9. And the reason that I chosen these here cards that are on a FICO 9, and I'll give you a few Vantage 3 and 4 cards as well. But because with the Vantage 3, the Vantage 4, the FICO 9, you can have authorized users on the file. You can have rental payments. You can have subscriptions, utility bills on the file, and they'll still approve you. All right. So let's jump into some of these Vantage 3 and 4. Like with your Vantage 3, then you want to look at BCU, Baxter Credit Union. And the reason is they have a Visa signature card that starts at $5,000 as well, with 0% interest for 12 months. All right. And it's non-geo restricted, so anybody can join them. All right. Then you also have NASA. Okay. So NASA has a pre-approval with their credit card. The good thing about NASA is a Vantage 4. Okay. And so by them being a Vantage 4 with their credit cards, you definitely are able to get approved for, because it's Vantage 4, it pulls Experian. All right. Now, there's one credit card I would definitely tell you guys to really try to build a relationship with, and that's the State Department Federal Credit Union. The reason is because that credit card, if you get approved for it, goes up to $100,000. Now, they use a mortgage 2 score. It's an Experian Mortgage 2 score. But the thing about it, the relationship with them, I think is better than Navy Federal, because they are a little more generous, especially utilizing that one hard pull to get multiple products. Plus, if you get a personal loan through them that goes up to $100,000, you don't have to pay on that loan for the first 90 days. So Navy Federal does not even offer that, right? So that's the reason why I would tell you to check them out. I have another video that's going to give you the real breakdown of about 7 or 8 different banks where when you get a personal loan, you don't even have to worry about making your first payment from 45 up to 90 days. So I'm going to break that video down for you. Again, if you enjoy this video, I hope that some of the websites I gave you give you more of an indication of what's going on. Again, with this Amazon Prime thing, trust and believe, those prices have jacked up. Then they gave you a big coupon, but at the same time, those websites I gave you, like coupon.ai and camel.com, if you use those websites, you will get a better deal. All right. So I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next video.